pag-video. So, unsay tawag ani? Charing. Video sa what? Sa imong performance. I'm not gonna perform today. Magja-judge lang ako today. As a judger tayo today for today's video. Judge lang ako today. Tomorrow and Sunday pa yung performances ko. So, yeah. Hi Stanley! May Cebu Queen ba sa next season? Secret! Antayin nyo na lang. Ito naman, grabe kayo. Mga 2 years after pa daw ipapalabas yung season 4. Eme. Atat na ba kayo? Uy! Ba't nagbago? Sino nag-change ng Kempet? Kasi, magkikita na naman ni TikTok tapos marirestrict na naman yung account natin. Yung magkikita yung nipples Kempet. Hi Jane! Tapos marirestrict na naman tayo. Ano naman tong si TikTok, napaka-sensitive. Para namang maganda. Char. Love you, TikTok. Hello. And then we're just gonna brush off the excess. Grabe kadugi sa 2 years support provincial queens. Correct. Parang, ang tawag dyan, I want to pass on the crown ng, representing Cebu. And it's not like I'm not proud of, but, ang tawag dyan, like, I would want to see another Cebu queen inside or like be part of Drag Race, diba? What can you say? Ano yun? What can you say po, mother, kay Jade na nasa Down Under versus the world na? Really? Eme. Charing. Of course, congratulations sa sister ko. Very, very proud kami sa kanya. Kasi, di ba, aside from Slaysian, she is like the one of season 2. Yung pinakauna sa season 2 na nag-international franchise. So, congratulations to her. And because of that, I will see you soon, Manila. Basta, yun lang masasabi ko. I will see you soon, Manila. For now. For now. Ang baba ng chair. Ayan. Grabe yung baba ng chair. May bala ka bang bumalik sa Drag Race PH Season 2? Depende sa budget. Thank you, Ken. Okay, wait muna guys. Magkikilay lang ako cause ito yung pinaka-crucial. Although this is just like the base kilay. Basta, panoorin nyo na lang. So, the base kilay could be like super rough. Rough lang talaga siya. It's a rough sketch kasi mapapatungan din yun siya mamaya. Watch lang kayo. Again, this is just like base. So, ayan. Pantay ba? It's fine kasi yung kilay, hindi naman dapat sila twins eh. Sisters sila. So, it could be two different entities. Two different entities? Parang hindi pantay. Let's extend this one inside just a little bit. Tabi niyo yung ilong ko. Later tonight na pala yung yung Mr. Gay Supo. But, so, di ba, mas long dito, mas dito. So, we're gonna change that. Yan. Again, base pa lang to. So, that's totally fine kung magkamali. Hi, Flexors! Kumusta? Hello, hello. Hello! So, it's fine na magkamali on this part kasi this is just the base, right? Nakita mo na Meet the Queens ng Down Under ma? Yes! Actually, yung pinanood ko lang, yung kay Jade. Yung kay Jade lang talaga yung pinanood ko. Ang sama, no? Sorry na. Of course, love na love ko yun si Jade. So, support ako sa kanya, definitely. Manay, may balak ka bang mag All-Stars PH kung sakali? Depende sa budget. Why not? Budget lang naman. I've been asked multiple times about that one and yung always kong sagot is like, yung pagsali is not, hindi naman siya problem eh. Yung problem dun is yung budget. Yun naman. Wait muna. Kailangan ko mag-concentrate kasi crucial part to ng camp. Yeah. Wow, ang fit mo naman. You do gym na. Yes. Where you? I'm at Waterfront right now, Flexor. Di ba ikaw si Nicole Page Brooks? True. Kumakap true. So for those who don't know, ba't Nicole yung pangalan ko? Nicole was actually driven from the leader of the Pussycat Dolls, which is Kim Chu. Mahilig ba si Kim Chu ng mga pusa? I'm sure. Parang pantay naman siya. Bulag na yan. Hindi naman tayo magpa-perform eh. Ano lang tayo. Actually, yung atake natin for today is siya. Ganda-gandahan. Magbabaka sakali tayong maganda tayo for today. Hindi ma. Ano daw? Hindi ako maganda? Mayas ka, hayop ka. Char. But you know what? I respect everyone's opinion naman. Kung hindi nyo type yung beauty ko, di wag. Di ko naman problema yun. Divine. Ayan. Mataas yung other side mo. Ito nga, Alam ko. Pero it's fine kasi matatabunan din naman yan mamaya. Again, this is just the base brow. Hindi ito yung brow kasi hindi naman ako nagba-black na brow. So, this is just the base brow. Ganon. Oh, tinamad na ako. Char. Okay. And then, after, we are going to use Anastasia's eye primer na wala nang laman. Which reminds me, sana nag-check lang kanina when I was at Rustan. Sana nag-check na ako kung may eye primer. Kasi wala na. Baka may gustong dyan. Sponsor, hey. Ganyan. Oh, ganyan na nung makeup. Bakit? Bakit ba? Bakit ba pa? Hindi pa nawawala ang ating brush for this one. Uy, ba't ang konti? Konti lang nalagay ko. Tingnan pa natin konti. Like here. And here. And then, just gonna spread that one out. Kasi primer naman siya. Yan. Sama na natin dito sa baba. Ganon. So, para kang kasi kung may black eye, ito yung white eye. And then, sa center, kahit hindi siya eye, lalagyan natin ng primer. Yan. Fuck! Naka-mascara. Yan, para natang Zorro. Mukha ka ng Zorro, tama na yan. Sure. Zorro. Nakaka-show yan. I don't have a show now, but mag-judge ako today. Since when? Since September of last year ako nag-gym. Nag-start na mag-gym, mag-diet, ganon. So, ayun. So, I start with my eye makeup muna para if ever may mali, I can still, pwede ko pa siyang kineme. Pwede ko pa siyang correct or something, ganun. Concentrate sa center, and then diffuse. Yan, okay lang yan na magkamali siya. Kasi, blend lang natin ng very light. Ganun. Ashram, I'm at Waterfront right now, Sid. Dito mag-stay overnight. Uy, kabugat. ato ka MGS. Later, I still have an event that I have to go to because I will be judging. And after siguro, yeah. I will fly to Mr. Gay Sugbo after. As in like after talaga. So, ayun. I will be judging I will be judging a drag competition sa isang call center or BPO company. And then, Contact Point 360? Tama ba? Contact Point 360. So, I was invited. Parang 5 kami na judge na who were invited to judge. Ano daw? Redundant. Basta yun. Wait, ano bang gagawin kong makeup niyan? Kasi yung ano ko, mosh ko it's gold. So, neutral tayo ngayon. Neutral makeup tayo. Ay, ang dami. 192. Hello po. We're gonna go neutral today. Look, it's very wasted na yung ano. Ito, bakas to ni Kat, yung ano niya. Yung, tawag dyan, yung curl. Yung yung iron niya. Tama ba? Iron. Yeah, iron. Kasalanan to ni Kat. Dapat bilhan niya ako ng bagong palette. Nangyari to nung when we were at yung sa first episode. Ano naman yun? Sorry. Di ko naman prino-promote po yung yung makeup. I was just letting them see the bottom part kasi nasulog na. Ito naman si TikTok OE. Ayan siya. Parang ang harsh ng light. Hi Ma, ang face of Cebu Drag. Hello po, ma-perform ka Tomas sa Cebu March. Ma-perform ka Tom sa Cebu March. Yes. I will be there. Malamang nasa poster ako, 'di ba? Ang pangit naman na nilagay lang ako dun for no reason. Magpa-perform po kami. I will be performing alongside Pia and Maria Lava and the other houses and drag queens of Cebu. Ayun. We have House of Renaissance. We have Washka at Queens. We also have House of Bloom, if I'm not mistaken. Ilang hours ka nagme-makeup, Ma? Normally, madali lang naman mag-makeup if gusto ko talaga magmadali. But I prefer taking my time. As in like, I prefer talaga taking my time. Ayoko yung nagmamadali. So, I allot 3 to 4 hours to do the makeup. Para lang I can still just, chit-chat or like, brush my teeth, ganyan. Like, chill lang. Hindi siya yung typical na nagmamadali. Ganon. O, diba? Sige. Magtapon ka. Ayun. And then, move on na tayo sa... Ito ba? Or ito? Ano yung brush? Okay. We start with a brown. So, nalilito ako which brown to use. This is too dark. And that's fine kasi we're gonna we're gonna blend this one out, don't worry. Harsh masyado. So that's fine. Kasi we're gonna blend that one out pa mamaya. So, just mixing 2 brown shades, 1 super dark and 1 like not. Or forgive me guys, kasi ako malikot ako mag-makeup. Like I stand up, I check my makeup in a different mirror. Gusto ko kasi yung parang nakikita ko yung self ko, how the makeup looks in different like lighting or like different angles. I like it, you know, like that. Ayoko yung parang steady lang. I want na para I would know if like kailangan pa ba siyang i-blend or is there something na kailangan ko pang i-adjust sa makeup, blah blah blah, ganyan. So yeah, that's how I do it. That's how I do things. That's just me, you know, being OC and all. Yeah. So I know it's like super makapal now, but that's fine. Kasi again, we're gonna blend the makeup. Very crucial yan. Ako, very particular ako when it comes to like blending. Na nag-cringe ako sa self ko if like if napansin ko na hindi blended yung makeup ko. So, ayun. I'm not gonna do the lower eye yet because I'm gonna do that one later. Wait, lang, part. I'm planning to do like a cut crease right now. Usually nowadays hindi na ako nagka-cut crease eh. But for today, siguro magka-cut crease tayo. And then, let's darken lang the outer part. Just the outer part and then blend it in. Ayun, good. Learn to when to stop din, guys. Kasi may times na parang, huy, tama na. Yan. And then, we're gonna blend everything. So, I like to blend it up and blend it out. This part also. Blend. Anong brand ng eye primer? Anastasia Beverly Hills. ABH. Nag-isip. Wait. Kasi parang feeling ko hindi siya pantay yung dalawa. Let me check. Parang feeling ko ang light ng makeup. Feeling ko, nag-light siya because na-blend natin. That's okay. Okay. Alright. Now, wait. Should I cut crease or not? To cut crease or not? To cut crease or not? Lord. To cut crease or not? Magiana. Hi, Mayona! Sige na nga, mag-cut crease tayo. Kasi ang tagal ko na ding hindi nagka-cut crease. Like parang I settle for... Oh, nawawala. So paano? Paano magka-cut crease kung nawawala ang ano? Ayun. Ito ba? Gonna get the white. Wait. Diyan lang kayo. Kasi... Uy! Okay. Ari ko. Sorry. Yan. So, nag-cut crease na tayo. And we're gonna patong white powder over that. So, we're just gonna follow the... So, we're gonna follow lang the... So, we're gonna start with something dark. And then we're gonna transition to something... Ano? Mom, miss you, Milk Tea. Hi, Milk Tea! Oh my God, long time! Kumusta? Wait. Number 4. Not this one. Brush. Long time I know. Kumusta ka na? How are you? Just to darken the what or like emphasize the cut crease, but we're still going to blend this one up. There. So we have that. And then we're gonna blend that one up. Para hindi siya yung parang may liner sa taas. Ganun. And we're going to get... Uy, ba't oily to? Hala, natapon yung yung oil. Okay. Hala, parang natapon yung baby oil. Wait muna. Let's take out the baby oil na. Kasi parang natapon siya. When I wake up in the morning. Okay. So, and we're gonna take like a white powder. Super amazed kasi ako sa mga mug ng Queens na parang no flaws. Hindi naman lahat, kasi may iba na it's not giving. Yung parang they need to work on. Ako guilty ako niyan because before, ganun talaga yung makeup ko. But of course, when you do it like over time, definitely, unless kung tamad ka na queen, wala talagang improvement. But for me, I can definitely say na nag-improve yung mug ko. Diba? Ganun naman talaga. Okay. So, from there. So, nag-powder lang ako dito sa cut crease. And then now, we're gonna proceed with putting black. A little bit of black dito sa taas ng cut crease. Just to emphasize that even more. Not super, just a little bit. Yan. Parang hint lang of black. Uy. For the gutom. See, it's not that harsh. Probably let's add a little lang. A little more. There you go. And then for the outer part, we're going to blend it to the brown. Okay. So, wait. I-blend lang natin konti yung we're just gonna blend this one now just to make sure na walang harsh lines. Okay. Then, we're gonna go back and add brown to the end here and parang wala. Just sa end lang. Kaya hindi ko na And then, sa pinakadulo pa rin, we're going to blend. I-harsh natin konti. Kasi blend din naman na natin. Okay. And then, blend this one out. There you go. So, parang hint lang siya ng brown. Alright. Okay. And then, magano na tayo ng black. Where is my brush? Brush for the black. Nawawala. Hi! You're delicious. Hello po. Wait, hinahanap ko yung black na, pang black ko na. Ito po. And we're gonna add black. So, oily talaga siya. Promise. Again, outer area lang talaga, as in outer area. There. Ba't kaya ganyan, no? Like nagme-make na. May ganun effect sa ano, sa bibig. Gets yun. There. And then, again, blend it. Walang harsh. Blend. Walang katapusang blending. I'm gonna check it. Okay. There. So that's sort of like our eyes for tonight. Very subtle. And then later, I'm gonna add like silver stuff dyan sa loob. Mag-eyeliner muna tayo. Gets ko si Kat. Bakit? Asa ka, Kuya Jo? Hi, Liam! I'm at waterfront right now. Ay. No, dito ako magsa-stay for tonight, and then, because I will be judging sa Contact Point 360. I think yun. Yeah, contact point 360 tonight and then Mr. Gay Sugbo after. Yo. Alright, so that's basically our eye makeup for tonight. And then, chill muna tayo. Anong oras na ba? 6? Call time ko is 8. So, I still have time. Alright. Gatan ka sa parade ko. Yes, I will. I will be there. Although, hindi na ako sasali sa parade kasi magpa-perform po kami. So, diretso na kami dun sa Plaza Independencia. But hope to see you there, guys. So, I'm gonna do my foundation na. Ay. Then we're gonna bring down. Hi, Niana. Hello. Ay! Ayan. Hi. Maunsay mo ingon nga sa mga queens nagahatag og permis sa imuha, ma'am. It's fine. Like, you know, like everyone's entitled to like their opinion or like kanang I can't, you know, hindi naman natin ma-please lahat ng tao. So it's fine. Totally fine. You know what, like before kasi people pleaser talaga ako. But siguro dumating na sa point sa life ko na parang wala nang pake kung like anong sasabihin ng mga tao. What matters to me now is like I'm happy, you know, like I love what I'm doing, ganun. What's your reaction after finding out that Jade So is gonna be in under versus the world? Down Under versus the world. Hello, Stormy! Go! Daghan na taga-makeup ron. Booked and blessed ang mga tao. Nakaka-happy. Yes. Ayun. So, very happy ako for Jade, definitely. As in, like, super, super happy ako for my sister. And, hinahanap ko yung brush ko for the contour. Ayan. So, where was I? Again, super happy ako sa sister ko. Kasi alam namin that she's gonna slay. Dati pa talaga, like, inaay na namin na, okay, si Jade talaga yung tawag doon, yung parang masasabi naman, okay, she's ready for an international, like a versus the world. Yung parang ganun. Ganun yung caliber ni ni Jade. Yung kaya niya makapag-compete na internationally. Ganun. Kasi may budget. May budget naman ang bakla. So, why not? Diba? Ganun. Okay. So, define lang natin ang ating jaw. Bring it down a little, just a little. Just to have that shadow dito. Then, blend na natin. Diba nurse ka, mama? Hindi po ako registered nurse, pero nag-graduate po ako sa nursing. I took a Bachelor's of Science in Nursing. Pero hindi ako nag-take ng licensure exam kasi natakot ako at that time na baka hindi ako makapasa ng licensure exam. Parang pinangunahan ko na yung self ko na baka hindi ka na pumasa, gagastos ka lang, so wag na bakla. Parang ganun. Ganun yung thinking ko at that time. But kasi na-feel ko, if ever nag-take ako ng licensure exam and pumasa ako, parang hindi siguro maboborn si Nicole Pardo. Siguro I would have been like a nurse outside already. Parang nasa abroad na ako, parang ganun. So buti na lang. Char. Kasi kung hindi, walang Nicole Pardo. Tama, mali. Tama. Okay. And then, let's do our... Hi, Julifer! Kumusta? And then, highlight na tayo. Tapos yung PA ko, wala pa. Ano yun? No, wala na tayong concealer. That's fine. Bumili ito mga. Okay. Then natin. You start with like the edges muna before you move on to the kasi you want to blend those edges first before moving to the core. And then, make sure blended din sa contour. Yan. Biochem. Magaling ba ako sa science? Siguro nung bata pa ako, magaling ako sa science kasi I remember nung elementary ako, best in science and math ako. Di ba yun? As a competitive, ako dati like very competitive ako as in. And then, ewan ko ba, nung parang naging na ako, very complacent na ako nung nag-college na ako. Or sorry, nag-high school ako, parang very complacent ako. Pero nung elementary talaga ako, I was so competitive. Like, grabe. As in, like, siguro sinalihan ko almost everything. Like, sumali ako ng poem reading contest, ganyan. Tapos, mga extracurricular activities, ganun. Very competitive ako as in, na person. So, ganun. Ano ba? But that was fun. Parang at a very young age, na-build ko yung pagiging competitive ko. Kala ko si Nicole Page. So, ayan. And then, this one's actually, bigay to ng funny. And then, we're gonna add this. So, it's like, I'm putting that one on top of like our just to give that like parang pinky vibe. Sure. And then blend lang natin. So para yung natin concealer, it has like that pink undertone. Pansin nyo ba? It's like subtle pink lang siya. Ganun. Parang subtle blush. Pero mamaya, puputok yan. For sure. Puputok yung blush natin. Wait muna, parang nawawala yung ating contour. Mother, anong concealer gamit mo? Yung concealer na gamit ko is yung sa Maybelline. Just reintroducing lang dito kasi parang nawala siya konti. So, yung ginagamit ko na pang contour is actually, ba't yung ganyan? Ayan. Kailangan mag-verify ka naman. So, ayan. So, yung ginagamit kong pang contour is actually, siya, bronzer. Hindi siya contour. Bronzer. But that's fine. Pwede naman talaga. Wala namang talagang like super golden rule na bawal ang bronzer for contour. Dapat bronzer lang talaga siya. No. Pwede naman talaga as in kung gusto nyo. Why not? Why not coconut? Ganun. Face of Cebu lechon. Uy, ang tagal kong hindi nakakain ng lechon. Hindi, alam nyo ba yung sabi ni Tiny? Kasi I remember na nag-post ako nung picture tapos naka-yellow ako. Sabi niya, hala, ganyan na pala yung yung makeup or like yung look ng mga taga Cebu Pacific. So, hindi na ako face of Cebu drag, face of Cebu Pacific na ako. Ay, ito ba? Nalito ako. Nasaan yung? Ito. Just to give that like parang pop of like, para meron tayong instant, ang tawag dyan, instant spotlight sa middle ng face natin. I actually learned this technique, no, kay Mark Pilipinas. Siya talagang nagturo sa akin ng ganito. So thank you, Mark, for teaching me the way. Yan. Blend hanggang ma-blend. Siya, ganun. And then, balik lang. Kung like, nawala siya, balikan mo, go. Ganun. That's okay, kasi we're gonna move on naman to the powdery. Pa tayong espasol. Char. Okay. So, with that, what I usually do after this, it's like I like to put on setting spray just to settle everything. Like, and then, I use a blower kasi ayoko yung naghihintay. Okay, so that's done, and then we're gonna move on to our powders. So I start off with. Are you joining the parade tomorrow in Cebu City? Or you'll be performing lang? Magpa-perform po kami. I wanted to join sana, kaso pinapa-perform kami. So, diretso na kami para hindi na haggard. Kasi kung magjo-join pa kami sa parade, haggard na. Like, magpa-perform pa kami, diba? So, diretso na kami dun sa Plaza Independence. So, we'll see you there, guys. Ganun. Here. Konti lang. Just to... So, this is, again, bronzer din. Na ginagamit ko to contour. So, again, pwede talaga yung bronzer gamitin pang contour. Kasi ayoko yung cool tone. I feel like hindi naman cool tone yung I prefer mas warm tone. Kasi I'm a warm person. Ganun. See? Okay. Ay, maganda na lang tayo since nandito na tayo. Maglagay na tayo ng nose line. Ay, hindi. Blush muna tayo para put down na natin yung blush. May nagugutom mo. Oh my God. Nagugutom mo. Since neutral tayo, we're gonna do like a peachy blush. Today, peachy tayo. Para babaihan. Peachy blush. And recently, yung ginagawa ko is I also put blush dito sa my nose. As in like all over talaga. There. Parang si Rudolph. Ganun ang mata ka. Then konting blush lang here. Then too. And then here. Subtle lang. Like really light. Not that super harsh. And then, so that's our blush. Ay, kote. And then now we move on to our powders. Shaggy to Kusurg. Biva, biva, biva. Oh, yeah. Mag-ano muna tayo pala ng... Mag-contour tayo ng nose. Para move on na tayo after. It's okay. Kasi blend din na natin yun mamaya. But now, ano lang. We're just gonna lightly blend it a little using our hands. Natin so parang feeling ko nakatulog yung PA ko. May maaaway ako ng tao. Eme. Okay. So, powder na tayo. Hindi ko talagang kita yung self ko. Uy, mahal. Parang hindi siya straight line. Okay. Tama ba? Parang feeling ko mababa. And then, I know that Most of the people don't bake na nowadays, but I still like to bake. Kasi, wala lang. Gusto ko lang. Ganun. Ay, tinatamad na naman ako. Wait muna guys. Kasi tinatamad ako. Whew! Okay. Ano bang next? Let's do our kilay na. Okay, so now, di ba kanina sabi ko nga, it's still parang ano pa, it's just the base of our kilay. Now, since we have that outline, meron na tayong parang guide where to put our tawag dyan, yung kilay natin. And then, I use yung ginamit ko for bronzer. That's what I use for, this is the base on top of another base. So, basta. Diba? Parang subtle lang siya na, na kilay. There. Kasi nga we're using brown so hindi siya ganun ka-harsh. Pero mamaya, yung outer part, ida-darken natin just to give like that definition of a kilay. Do you see it? Do you see it? Then, what I like to do, just to make sure na pantay siya. Yan. And then, yan. So, that's like my guide kung saan magsa-stop yung ano. And then, I like to feather them on out. Ganun. So, meron tayong, wait, parang may harsh na ano. Take out natin yung harsh. Kinana. Parang, hindi siya pantay. So, pantayin natin. Just gonna bring this one in a little. Para pumantay lang siya. There we go. Wait na. Okay. So, parang but that's fine. Kasi pwede naman natin lagyan ng yan. Para just to settle that. Okay. So, that's the base of our kilay. And then, we're gonna get yung eyeliner natin. Sabi ko nga, diba, we're gonna emphasize the end part of our kilay. Ito yung magiging black talaga. Just para, snatch yung kilay natin. Honestly guys, wala akong like steady hand, but ano naman, take your time, okay, magbadali. And that's the reason why I like to take my time. Ayoko yung nagmamadali ako because I feel like hindi maganda yung outcome if yung nagmamadali ako. Nasaan yung isang liner? So we have that, parang may binila akong bagong liner na nawawala. Ito. Na parang it's gonna give us that brush like strokes or like parang that's our kilay. And then we're gonna go down with brown sa baba. Saan ang aking PA? Buhay pa ba yun? Or may aawayan tayong PA? Number one pet peeve ko talaga is like yung nalilate. I don't like it. As in, if ako nalilate ako, na-frustrate ako sa self ko, promise. As in, I get frustrated easily. And kaya ayokong nalilate because I don't wanna waste people's time. At the same time, I don't wanna waste my time as well. So, parang, diba, respeto lang. Respect other people's time, respect your time as well. Parang ganun. So, wala. I'm using the bronzer still for the under eye. This is just going to give us like that base shadow na brownish. And then, yung sa outer part, we're going to add black. Yep. Ay, mali. Dito ka. Meron talagang maaaway. 6:30 plus nang wala pa siya. Para connected lang yung upper and lower na eye makeup natin. So, since wala ang gonna redo the liner. Okay, there. Then, just a subtle eyeliner sa baba. Subtle lang. Okay, let's curl our lashes. So before putting on mascara, guys, curl your lashes, okay? Kasi it's going to be like the anchor of your aray. It's going to be the anchor of your falsies. I like small lashes lang. Siya like super mahaba mga lashes. Po ako gifted sa lashes. Okay. Blush on. We're gonna reintroduce the colors again. Nagre-reintroduce na tayo ng color sa mukha natin. Maano na naman tayo ng TikTok. Wait, may gagawin lang. Just to emphasize that line there. Wait, dito lang siya. Shit. And then blend that. Okay. Now I like to take a white. Ano? Hi, ni hao. And then put this one like in the middle. Here. And because look at the difference. This one versus this one. Diba? Parang may ano siya. It brings parang nafa-forward yung ano. Okay. Okay. And then let us introduce. Uy, dami. Parami natin. Oh my God. Wait lang muna. Kunin natin yun. Shit. Gagamitin natin. Wait lang. Okay. So, highlight tayo. Grabe yung oil. Tapos siguro yung oil. Then I like to get glitters talaga na glitters because what I like to do, di ba nag-highlight ako, I like to emphasize that one even more with glitters. So, there, here, Alright, let's move on to our lips. Pinaka last step. But before that, tanggalin muna natin yung parang nag-build up na makeup dyan. Yeah. And then, I bought like a new lip primer from Anastasia. I love to put lip primer talaga because feeling ko when I put lip primer, mas maganda yung lapag pala ng hindi na ako nag-wig cap lately. I'll show you later what I do. Pero lately hindi na ako wig cap. So since neutral tayo ngayon, we're gonna go for like brown na lips. Hindi nawawala ang aking lip line. This for our lower lip, our upper lip. Ooh, I forgot to highlight pala this part. Yeah. There. Oh. And then brown lippies. Wait. Kasi, pwede na. Hello. It's just gonna give us the definition sa lips natin. Yes, Marina Dell will be here. No, on Sunday, not tomorrow. Sunday po. Sa Mandawi Pride. Yeah. Then we're not gonna go for we're gonna go for Goldie lip gloss. Saan ba yun? Dito ba? Okay, let's do our lashes. May laman po. So we're gonna cut this one muna kasi it's mahaba. Isa lang yung tinanggal ko. Like one. Thank you. By the way, tip, when you're doing your lashes, guys, make sure na binibend nyo ng ganyan before you put it. Hi, Koy! Mag-judge ko sa contact point 360. And then Mr. Gaysu po after. I would want to support. Thank you. Mabasa ko may All-Stars. Hindi ko rin po alam kasi hindi ko naman hawak ang beat. Hindi po ako yung magde-decide yan. Again, venue. Before ilagay. And then, I like to blow sa baba para it's going to lift up. Para kung mag-dry siya, it's lifted. Okay, may napansin ako dito. We're gonna close that one now. And ano kasi yung sa tears scam ganun. Basically, ato na yung full glam natin, guys. That's it. What do you guys think? Magpa-contact lens na lang ako pero mamaya pa. Ay, hindi. Kulang pa pala. Bobo. May kulang. Yung trademark natin na Akineme. Char. May pastone tayo sa ating ayun. Tapon tuloy. Yeah, so that's our eye makeup, guys. What do you think? Ay. So, ayan. That's it. That's it, pansits. Mag-end muna ako, guys, kasi iko-contact ko yung PA ko. So, I will see you very, very soon. Love you.